So how does somebody that's brand new sell courses online? Well, the first thing that you can do is you can learn a new or different aspect or teach a different approach to something. It doesn't matter if somebody else has already taught it before. It matters, can you teach it better? Can you figure out a new angle or approach to it? And people aren't buying information, okay? What they're buying is information plus implementation, which means if you add the approach of, I'm also gonna coach you and make sure this happens, you're gonna be way more valuable than the person that's like, here, buy this information and good luck. So that's the first thing you can do. The second thing that you can do is your approach will be valuable to people that you connect with. Not everybody likes everybody else. They don't like the way they sound. There's a lot of people that don't like the way I look, or don't like the way I talk, or don't like whatever. But they still want the information. Is it gonna be you that they maybe connect with and that they're gonna buy it from? So what I want you to do is think about that and comment, what topic would you actually make money with if you knew you couldn't fail? Like, what is something that you knew if you weren't gonna fail at it and you could just do it and make money with it, what topic would you pick? Let me know down in the comments, and you might find some ideas down there from other people commenting.